Is McCammon really crying?
No.
Olivia's holding on to Alex's arm.
I would be too.
Oh, I think they interlock them like that.
Yeah, they do.
So you're not like one of those,
Yeah.
You got the video on?
I do.
Are you videoing?
All right, there
Yeah.
you go.
They're already screaming.
Oh my god.
Those poor people, I know just how they feel.
I wish I had my sunglasses on.
It's on that train.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Little dots in the air. Oh, they're hating it. They're hating life right now. They're hating life.
All right, there they are.
Okay, here they go. He's gonna pull it. I know, she did good. She did good. Woohoo! Yes!
Wanted to fly.
She didn't hesitate very long either. We're proud of you! Yes! Woohoo!
That would be awesome. That would.
Does anybody else want to do it now?
Grab the cord!
I can do it from right there.
You could do it from right there.
I can swing out like that.